Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 20 problem set, and we are going to be doing the cross-out method and matching the picture to the number sentence. So here are the directions. Draw a line from the picture to the number sentence it matches. So if you look in this row, you're going to see that there are 4 mice. 2 mice have been crossed off, and that leaves 2 mice left over. So I'm going to be looking for a number sentence that says 4, take away 2, leaves 2 left over. Let me see if I can look over here and find that. I need 4, take away 2. This says 3, take away 1. 5, take away 4. This one says 4, take away 2. Let's see. 4, take away 1, 2. 4 take away 2 equals 2. That matches. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line to that matching sentence. I'm going to keep going until I have matched all of these to their number sentences. Now on this page, you're going to be trying the cross-out method on your own. So you need to read this number sentence and then cross off how many it says until you get the answer. So this one says 6 take away 1 equals 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross off one of the bears like it told me. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that matches. 6 altogether minus 1 equals 5. You're going to continue to do these all by yourself. This one says 7 minus 2 equals 5. So you're going to use the cross-out strategy to show 7 minus 2 equals 5. I hope that you have fun.